Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and everyone is doing well. Welcome back to our session. So today we are going to discuss. So which subject we are going to discuss? Yeah. So today I am going to discuss science. So which lesson we are going to discuss children? So lesson number 10. Lesson number 10. So this is very interesting lesson that and everyone likes to listen this lesson. Okay, so already till now we have discussed about the forest and how it will be in the forest. So one person has been narrated like a story what happened in the forest, each and everything he narrated. So we have studied about the forest and we have studied about the plants and animals, and also we have studied about herbivorous, carnivorous, everything. Okay, and in today's session, such so quite interesting. I said no. So what is that? So everyone like to see the sky during the night time, and also everyone it will be like a pleasant mood if you are seeing the sky in the night during the night time. Then it will be in a pleasant mood, and everyone likes to play. Also, I already said maybe in your class or in different class. I don't know. So while we are in childhood, I used to play. So I and my friend used to play. So the moon will be there, no? So I used to run in that. So I used to run in that direction, and I used to tell. So the moon is near to me, and my friend is to be in this side. So I'm in this side, and my other friend is in that side. So we both used to discuss. So no, my friend is so no, my moon is this side, and moon is that side. So like that we used to discuss and we used to argue with them. So like this at the childhood time we don't know, no. So in that way we used to play and we used to enjoy that the sky during the night time. And also and we used to feel that. So for example, aeroplanes and helicopters and all are moving in the sky. Then we used to think how when we will fly in the sky in the aeroplane and also in the helicopters when we will fly, and we used to think in that way. And also I think so everyone also will be thinking in the same way. So when we will fly in the aeroplanes and all, yeah. So everyone will have such an interest. So here also now everyone has the interest to travel in the space, right? So today we are going to discuss about space travel. About space travel. So our lesson is space travel. So what is the meaning of space travel and what do you see in this lesson? So in this lesson we are going to see so who are the persons will go in the space and what they will do, and also what they will eat, so how they will sleep, that all we are going to discuss. Oh, everyone know very well about the NASA. So how they will, so astronauts will move on to the sky, so move on to the space and what they will do. So some persons went near the moon also, yeah. So this all we have discussed in the earlier classes. Maybe in the third class only we'll get it. So we'll get an introduction part of so who is the first person travel to the space, that all we have discussed. Okay, and in this session I am going to tell. So not only in this session, so overall 3 to 4 days we will discuss about the space travels, who traveled in the space and what they did, that all we will discuss here. Okay, so here also the same person, one person is there. So Sarnad, so the Sarnad is a person. So not only he's a small kid, what he did, so he's watching TV. So while he was watching TV, he saw so sorry, he's not watching TV. He saw that rocket being fired in the sky. So rocket being fired in the sky, and his father told him that it is a space mission. So he wondered, so what is a space mission? So why it is going to the space? What the rocket will do in the space? So he was wondered and he got all the questions in his mind. So while we are listening also, we'll also get that questions and we'll ask our elders. So what happened in the space? So why that rocket is moving into the space? The same questions will be asked by my son also. So how the rocket will travel and how the airplane will travel, travel and how the helicopter will travel. So what is the difference between aeroplane, helicopter and rocket? So this is the homework to you people. So the differences we have to write. So how the aeroplane will travel and how the helicopter will travel and how the rocket. So what are the differences between them, and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages, that you have to write it in your homework book. Yeah. So coming to that lesson, so we know that, so everyone know that earth is covered with layers. So earth is covered with layers, and also earth is surrounded with the air. So earth is surrounded with the air. uh, so it is the atmosphere. So it is surrounded with the air, no? So it is nothing but the atmosphere. So how the atmosphere will be, so everyone will tell, yeah, today it's our atmosphere is quite cool and quite pleasant. So we'll discuss in this way, right? So here also, have you wondered, so what is beyond the sky? What is beyond the sky? What is beyond the sky? Have you wondered the space beyond the space is beyond the earth atmosphere. So what is beyond the sky means nothing but the space. Space is beyond the earth's atmosphere. Yeah. So beyond the atmosphere there is an open space. So we'll be having an open space. So we can see open space, and where there is no air. So in the space there will be no air. So there will be no air. So all the heavenly bodies. So everyone know heavenly bodies means what? In the third class itself we have read that. So all the heavenly bodies in the sky are present in this space. In the space what are present? So heavenly bodies are present. Okay. So these are all we have to, once again we have to check. So what is the heavenly body and what is the difference between atmosphere, space and all. Uh, you have to write it in your homework book. So to learn more about them, so if you want to know, more about the space, so that we have to discuss in deep in the lesson. So what, how they will travel and what they will do, what they will eat, how they will sleep, that all we are going to discuss in this session. Okay, how we can travel to the space. So how we can travel to the space, so with the help of heavenly bodies only. For example, if it is a rocket is there, so rocket will move to the space, no? So it is a space mission. So coming to that, so we have to travel through the earth's atmosphere. So we have to travel in the earth's atmosphere only, and also we have to travel in the open space. So in the open space we have to travel, and their aircrafts will be there, such as planes. So aircrafts are nothing but the planes. So we used to travel in the aircraft. So aircrafts are nothing but some planes. Okay. And to travel it in a far away from our places. So our place, so for example we are staying here, so we are staying here, so it is far away from our place. It is not near to our place, it is very far from our place. So this is open space and there will be no air. So we use aircrafts, I already said, no? So we use aircrafts. So aircrafts are nothing but the planes. Okay. So let us see, so what are those, so how we'll use. Okay, we have learned, so everyone have learned from childhood onwards, not from, so from second third standard onwards. So what is there, what is pulling the earth. So earth's gravity, so earth's gravity is pulling. Okay, so everything towards it. So whatever the gravity is present, so that is pulling towards it, so all the things that we are throwing, that again it will come back, it will reflect. For example we are throwing a ball, so again it will reflect, it will move to that some other place or it will come back. Okay, so everything due to the earth's gravity, so with the gravity which is present in the earth, so due to that it is reflecting back and it is coming back. Okay, so due to this the aircrafts cannot fly straight. So due to the earth's gravity, so earth's gravity is present, so that, so it cannot go in a straight way, so it cannot go in a straight up, so it will not go straight up. So we need high speed, so we need high speed rockets. So rockets everyone know very well, no? So we need high speed rockets to travel into the space. So we need high speed rockets. So due to this, so aircrafts with the earth gravity is pulling, no, so we need high speed rockets. So with the help of this, so we can see. And also rockets which are there, they are traveling into the atmosphere. So with the help of what they will travel, so they will travel with the help of the spacecrafts, the air which is there, so they will rub against it, and it will make the aircrafts up to catch the fire. So how they are catching the fire? So the air will rub against it to its firewalls and towards that, so the fire will be, and with this, with the help of this, the heat will be generated from that. With the help of that, the rockets will fire and they will move on to the space. These special vehicles which are there, they are called as spacecrafts. They are called as spacecrafts. So the special vehicles which are moving, those are called as spacecrafts. Okay, a spacecrafts can be either uh, either through the human beings or an artificial satellite. So the aircrafts will be nothing but, so artificial satellites are human beings. So through the human beings they can carry, or through the artificial satellites they can carry. Okay, so coming to the persons, so everyone know very well the spacecrafts is very different from an aircraft. The aircrafts, with the help of aircrafts we can move, but when compared to the spacecraft, it is very difficult to move in this aircrafts. Okay, so the pilots who fly planes cannot fly them. So the pilots who are having a training section, so who can move the pilots, so aeroplanes and all, they are not so they cannot move the aircrafts. So they can move the so sorry they cannot move the spacecrafts. They can move the aircrafts, but they cannot move the aircraft. So who are the pilots who are there, so they cannot move the aircraft. So the special persons who can move the spacecrafts, so who can move the spacecrafts, they are called as astronauts. So the persons who can move, so who can move the spacecrafts, they are called as astronauts. So astronauts will be having a special training. So special training will be there. So how the pilots will be trained, how the teachers will be trained. So every person have the training section before moving any object or any. So if they want to do any job, so before they'll be having a training. So in the same way, the astronauts also will be having the training. And special pilots. So they are called as special pilots. The special pilots are called as astronauts. So spacecrafts will be moved by astronauts. Have you seen any pictures of astronauts? Do you know any astronaut name? And have you seen before the astronauts? So Rakesh Sharma, Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla. So everyone know very well. These are the famous names. So who traveled in the space. Look at the pictures of the astronauts. So they have given three pictures. One person is Rakesh Sharma. See, one person is Rakesh Sharma, and another one is Sunita Williams, and another one is Kalpana Chawla. So these are the astronauts, and they are having special suits. See how they are wearing. So like as normal dresses, they are not wearing. They are having special suits. Why do you know why they are having special suits? Because so before only, so while we are discussing about the space, we have discussed in the space there will be no air. So there will be no air. So they need some oxygen. So oxygen should be supplied, no. So for that purpose they are having a special suit. So special suit to travel into the space. So moreover, in space there will not be any sunlight. So sunlight will be, so sorry, there will be sunlight and very sharp. So for example, if it is in summer season only, so we cannot bear the sunlight. So if we are going out and we are coming back means, the feeling will be in different way. So we cannot stay. So after coming to the home, so we will take the rest, so then only we can do other works. So if it is more so summer season is more and the temperature is heavy, so in the same way here the sunlight will be very sharp. So to protect us from the sunburns, to protect from the sunburns, they'll be wearing special suits. So they need special suits because they want some oxygen, and they want so the sunlight will be more. So to 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 avoid from that, so they will be having a special suit that help us to that help them to breathe. And also the special suits will help them to breathe, and also to avoid, to avoid from sunlight. So to avoid, to protect themselves from the harmful sunlight. So okay. And also they are having the way we are having airports. So for example, we are having airports are there for aircrafts, for so who are traveling in the space, so they are having some space stations. So they are having space stations also. So here currently the international, so IISS, so nothing but International Space Station. So ISS is nothing but international International Space Station. So how the airports will be there, so in the same way space stations also will be there in that. So International Space Station, ISS, so it is the largest space station. So it is the largest space station in space. It is an artificial satellite. So it is an artificial satellite orbiting towards the earth. It is an artificial satellite orbiting towards the earth. It is suitable for living in space. So whatever it is there, so it is made so to be like how our living in space is different, no? So it will be for suitable for the persons who are there. So astronauts who are there, so they will take rest there only, so they will stop there only. So afterwards they will move to the other place if they want to move. Okay. So this is one of the largest space station, that people who travel in the space, so who travel in the space, they will stay there. So I already said, no, they will stay for some time, and they will take rest, and if they want to eat, and if they want to do any work, they will do from there. So again, so after taking some rest, they will move to the other place. Okay. And the remaining part which is there, so how they will sleep, how they will eat, what type of food they will eat, so that all we'll discuss in the next session. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.